In the early 21st century, the human race embarked on an audacious endeavor, one that would take us beyond the confines of Earth and set our footprints on the red sands of Mars. This tale is a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration, and the two pioneering robotic emissaries who paved the way for this momentous event, the Mars Rovers, Sojourner and Spirit-Opportunity. Sojourner, the first of the Martian duo, was a diminutive yet determined rover, born in the hallowed halls of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. Launched on July 4, 1996, this plucky explorer touched down on Mars on July 4, 1997, ushering in a new era of Martian exploration. With a weight of only 23 kilograms, Sojourner was a humble beginnings compared to its successors. Yet, it bravely traversed the Martian landscape, sending back images and data that transformed our understanding of the red planet. Its journey through Ares Vallis, a massive impact crater, was a testament to its resilience and the unyielding curiosity that drove it. However, Sojourner's tenure was short-lived. After 83 sols on Mars, its batteries depleted, and it succumbed to the harsh Martian winter. Yet, its legacy lived on, inspiring the development of more advanced rovers, the Spirit and Opportunity twins. The Spirit and Opportunity rovers, launched in 2004, were born of a shared mission, to explore the Martian surface and search for evidence of past water activity. They landed on opposite sides of Mars, Spirit on Gusev crater, and Opportunity on Meridiani Planum. Spirit and Opportunity were more robust than their predecessor, weighing 185 kilograms each. They were equipped with a host of advanced scientific instruments, ready to delve deep into the mysteries of Mars. Their mission was initially planned for 90 Martian days, but they proved to be the epitome of endurance, surviving for over 6 years. In the desolate plains of Gusev crater, Spirit discovered evidence of ancient water activity, raising hopes of finding life on Mars. Meanwhile, Opportunity, in Meridiani Planum, unearthed hematite, a mineral often associated with water. Their findings revolutionized our understanding of Mars, suggesting that the planet might have once been a more hospitable environment. However, like Sojourner before them, Spirit and Opportunity too faced their share of challenges. Dust storms, mechanical failures, and the relentless Martian winter threatened to cut their missions short. Yet, they persevered, their spirit unbroken, their purpose undeterred. In 2018, after 15 years of exploration, Opportunity fell silent. A gigantic dust storm had engulfed Mars, and the rover was unable to recharge its batteries. Spirit, too, met its end in 2010, its wheels stuck in a sand trap. Despite their eventual demise, the Mars Rovers, Sojourner, Spirit, and Opportunity, left an indelible mark on our understanding of Mars. Their pioneering spirit, their resilience, and their unyielding quest for knowledge continue to inspire a new generation of Martian explorers, as we continue our journey to the Red Planet. This narrative, while a work of creative writing, is grounded in historical facts, showcasing the dramatic journey of the Mars Rovers, their contributions, challenges, and the legacy they left behind in our quest to explore the unknown.